All right, ready? To the most famous driving road in the United States of America.
Tail of the dragon?
Mm-hmm. Place called the 129 hub before it got really windy. And I haven't seen that, so I don't know if we're like in the super thick of it yet. It's feeling really curvy though. That's what it's known for, those like pitchy bits. Off camber tilts and stuff. This road is awesome with the way it tilts. Yeah. Makes it feel like a roller coaster. And its pavement is perfect. The biggest thing here is you got to make sure you don't drive too far beyond your abilities, and you also watch ahead in case somebody else is driving beyond theirs and they push far into your lane. Last thing you want is to have an accident up here. Cool view, huh?
Yeah.
Good little photo action there. So those guys, they set up there and they just take photos of the cars on the Dragon all day long and then they sell them to people, and that's how they make their living.
Huh.
I will definitely be purchasing that photo.
You will?
Oh yeah, 100%. see, you could push hard there and go right off. You gotta be very careful about how much speed you're carrying here. Oh no, dude, you gotta turn off up here. You gotta hit a turn off, my guy. Thank you. Yes. Oh yeah, boy. This is freaking awesome. Photos galore. Wow. Good Lord. Lots of pull-offs too. It's really nice. Pulling a camper up here is wild. There's Killboy. Pillboy is the most famous of the photographers up here. He's the one that started that.
Oh.
So they set up with these tents and vans, and they just do photos and. Wow. This road is absolutely insane. Just doesn't stop. Spot for people to get caught speeding, because it kind of straightens out enough to where you're not going slow. You want to build some speed up. I have heard they do post cops here sometimes. I don't know where, but we caught somebody and nobody caught us, so we're doing all right. For them to hit that pull off right there. Maybe the next one? Yee, thank you. See, people know and they're nice, man. I love it. I love it. I love people pulling off. It's so nice. Wow.
That is
Whoa. I can't believe a road like this even exists. Like how banked it is. It's crazy. Pull off right here for the view. Seeing a lot of crashes on that corner right there. So right after lunch, we're gonna come back up this. We're going north to south now. We're gonna turn around after lunch and come back northbound. And then we'll hit the Cherahala, and then after that, we'll go back up and down this again, if we want to. Of it.
We're in North Carolina.
Yep. There's very little, like the pavement changes, and it's like it's still curvy, but like that's where it kind of winds down right there, the Tennessee state line. Yeah, it really kicks off in Tennessee. Still a few more curves to go. Deals Gap. So Deals Gap is like the North Carolina side. Poco Lodge, that's where we're headed for lunch. Look at that. You're almost there, Fontana Village. Little bear with the sunglasses. So this is Deals Gap Motorcycle Club down here. General store, there's a breakfast spot here, some cabins here. Here is like t-shirts and a gift shop and all that. We'll go ahead and go to lunch right now, you think, or you want to go in here? You smell the tires?